Hello friends, I'm Deneen and I'm your frugal fashionista, and thank you for tuning into my channel. In this channel, we're going to be talking about all different ways you can save money and make money, and one of those ways is by reselling. I have been a reseller for over 20 years. I'm a mentor in the community. I have been from eBay to Tradesy to Poshmark for 10 years, so I'm going to give you as much information as I can. But in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Kosei Threads. This video is in no way sponsored by Kosei Threads. I'm just going to do it live with you, so you're going to see everything I see for the first time. And the box that I got, I paid $50 for, a little over 50, like 52 or something like that. And I used a coupon because Kosei Threads is always offering discounts and coupons. So I figured, let me keep my price point low right now. And it came with, it said 25 different sneakers. So I figured at $2 a piece, why not? It is a reGen bleach pack. So the shoes are not in pristine condition according to the description of what I got. So we're going to see how bad or good, the box is. But I'm excited because I'm a treasure hunter and I love to see what's surprised me. I love to get surprises. But this company, what I really love about Kosei Threads is that they believe in sustainability. They believe in keeping items out of landfills and that clothes are not trash. So, and I'm all about that, clothes, sneakers, anything like that. So without further ado, here we go. This video is sponsored by Vendoo Cross-Listing Software that has analytics, inventory management, and so much more. They also have a new beta app now. So here I am with my handy dandy slicer, and we're going to open up the box to see what's in it. So we're opening it up real time together. I have no idea what's in it. And like my shirt, I already got a compliment on it today. It's very Depop-ish. Okay. So it's a box of obviously white sneakers. They're a bleach pack, which insinuates that they reGen pack, that they need to be washed or wiped down. I usually use Mr. Clean Eraser. I'll use Goo Gone. Honestly, baby wipes work really well as well. If you have any tips that you use to get your sneakers clean when you get them from the thrift shop, please leave them in the comments below. So the first pair that we're opening up are these. So far they're not in bad condition except right around the bottom, which is to be expected with a little wear underneath. So I'll just take a Mr. Clean Eraser to that, and these will be cleaned up right away. And these are Vans. So yeah, off the wall Vans. They're in really great condition otherwise. So this is great. And instead of saying how much money I think I'm gonna make from these, I'm gonna show you how I do that using Vendoo in a little bit, or Google Lens, honestly. But I like using Vendoo for everything, and Vendoo is a cross-listing application, but there's so much more. They have a beta app out now, which is fantastic because I'm always on my phone, so I do everything on my phone. And you can cross-list from your phone to Poshmark and eBay, but they're adding so many more platforms to that via just the beta app. But you can do it on your browser as well of your phone, and everything else is via computer. You can list onto 10 different marketplaces. It's really fantastic, especially if you have your own shop on Shopify. It's great. So you can do it on there too. But I mean, besides cross-listing, they do so much. I really believe in the company. I love the company because they have fantastic analytics. literally I can look up where it's sold, how much it's sold for, the day it's sold for, and so much more in their analytics. It's easy to understand. It's easy to read. It comes in charts and graphs, and it tells you what brands you sold, what categories you sold, your top selling, your least selling. It's great. And then you know what you need to buy in the future, because you'll see what you sold most of and the price points that you sold it at. Vendoo does great inventory management. So for all of these items, I can put them directly into my Vendoo. I can upload the pictures whenever I want. You know, like getting this box, what I would do is I would put the name brand of the item and save it as a draft in my Vendoo software. And then go back to it later, price check it, and put in the pictures. So just so I can keep better track of my inventory that way. You can see the date created newest, the date created oldest, alphabetical order. You can even sort it by what's sold, what drafts you have, and what is active, and on what marketplaces they're active. So Vendoo really has so many features, including tutorials. It takes you right to their YouTube page where they break down step by step all their features in less than 2-minute increments, which is all I have as far as my attention span. You can create templates and do labels within the application. Like if I was doing a batch of jeans, I would create my jean template within Vendoo. And then when I was ready to add in the information for the jeans, I would just click the jean template and boom. Next one, jean template. And it has auto-populated what you already put in there. So I really hope that made sense. So instead of copying and pasting your information in your phone or in your computer and then into your Poshmark or then into your eBay by color, brand, you know, whatever you want to be the base of what's in every single listing, you can do it once in Vendoo. You never have to copy and paste again. You'll have whatever information you want in there, in your template. Whatever template that is, shoes, jeans, tops, dresses, vintage, whatever it is. So, but also the team is fantastic. And here for the second pair are Starberry sneakers. I was going to say shoes. Same difference. Starberry. They look like almost in brand new condition. Size 6.5. These are nice. I'm a 6.5, 7. I might keep these for myself. These I do know for the comps are a little bit all over the place, anywhere from $25 to $50. They're in great condition. I like them. I mean, that just paid for the whole box. Seriously. I'm not going to take these out of the bags anymore, but just so you can see, these are another pair. They're in great condition. I don't really know. I think they're cloud walkers. Oh, we have Nikes. And these are in also great condition. I mean, look at these. Okay. This is so exciting. Oh, we have vintage, still with a price tag on it on the inside. Vintage Champion sneakers. They are dirty, but I don't know. They still have the price tag. So maybe they're dirty from just being in the warehouse. The underside doesn't have any wear. Okay. Then I have another pair of Nikes. These need a cleaning. But since these are leather on the outside, the cleaning should be easy. I also use leather cleaner on my sneakers. So far, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are absolutely adorable. And the only wear are on the rubber soles. These are so cute. These are Loft. Ann Taylor Loft. All right, I'll go a little bit faster. I can't really read what these are, but they need a little bit of cleaning. And also what I heard is if you list, you can use the hashtag thrashed for some of the sneakers. So I think I'll be doing that instead of cleaning all of them. Ooh, these are K-Swiss. They've seen better days, but they can be cleaned. We can rebuild them. And that's a reference to the Bionic Man, if anyone is old enough to know who that is. These are Maurice's. And Maurice's is a shop. It's not really an expensive store, but doesn't matter. I already got one pair that's going to pay for the whole box. So, honestly, these are men's genuine leather Florsheim vintage shoes. Fantastic. They're in great condition. These are Response Super sneakers for the... Look at... Do they take up the whole phone? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look how big these things are. Wait. Just so you can see. Look at my head and look at the sneakers. Boy, oh boy. They're huge. You know what they say about big feet? Okay. Big heart. Okay, and these are, I don't know what they are because inside of them has worn off, but they're pretty cool. These are Old Navy, new with tags. Wow. Okay. New with tags Old Navy sneakers. So they added in a pair of new sneakers. Wow. Okay, look at that. I love that. That was a little surprise. Honestly, so I really didn't expect much. I figured for $50, for 25 sneakers at $2 a price point, you know, I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning. But no. And this is fantastic. These are Avias, men's Avias, and they're in great used condition. New Balance, I believe. They need a little cleaning, but nothing major. The bottoms are immaculate. These are Sperry's, but they've seen better days. Like these old-fashioned. They've seen better days. And you know what? I think that considering I got such a great deal, I'm going to take some of the sneakers that maybe I don't want to clean, some good brand names, and I'm going to donate them. Because it's always good for the soul to donate. So we're going to put those in the donate pile. Then we have another pair of Nikes that need a little bit of cleaning. I mean, this, I feel like I hit the gold box. This is great. Pair of Adidas. Great used condition. I said I wasn't going to do them all, but I'm sorry. Nikes. You can always fast forward. Trettern. I never heard of these. They look vintage, though, I'll be honest with you. Here, let me show you. A pair of brand new New Balance. These are brand new. Wow, look at this. These Filas have like a little mark on them. A couple of little marks. Nothing major. But look at that. They're like brand new. Wow. Looks like the person wore them once or twice. Another pair of Nikes that need some cleaning. These are material, so I'll probably just throw them in the wash and see what happens. A pair of Roxy's that are absolutely brand new. Let me pull them out of the bag. Look at that. Brand new. So, like I said, it was a $50 price point. I normally do designer goods, but it's really hard to get a hold of a designer goods box from Kosei. You make sure you download the app, because then, and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified when they have the boxes, but you got to be quick on it. Having said that, I'm really excited with my box, and I'm just going to show you a listing or two of how I will input my item into Vendoo. And you know, it's a whole system I have. So I get the box, I price check them, I put them into Vendoo, and then when I'm all done with them, I take these bags, I put SKUs on them, I put them in separate bags, and I ship them off to Ebaytips. And what Ebaytips does for me, they're a reseller solution company, is they will store them for me, and then when they sell, they get notified and they ship them out for me. So this whole box, all these sneakers and shoes will not be at my house. Woohoo! Hallelujah. Okay? I do have a code. I will put it below if you're interested in Ebaytips. And so without further ado, here we go. So here we are in my inventory. We go in, and here is the, which one am I doing? The Starberry by Stephen Marbury. As you can see, these are the sneakers I'm putting in. All right. So we're going to put the title, Starberry sneakers. We'll put white sneakers. Starberry sneakers here. And then the title, Starberry white sneakers. And we're going to go down. We're going to put size, brand. Okay, let's select it. Starberry. Here we go. Condition. Pre-owned. Primary color. Let's just write that in. White. Okay. So let's go down here. Price checker. Yes, this saves so much time. So let's see what it comes up with. It takes you right to Sellhound. And look, oh my gosh, I was right on the comps. This is so funny. Current $46.72, sold $42. On Poshmark, it's going, the current are going for $33, sold for $21. Grailed has them for $25. The current on Mercari is $41.33 and sold for $19.52. So you best know and believe I'm going to be putting these on eBay, because eBay has the best comps for these sneakers. But really with Vendoo, I'll be honest with you, I'm putting them everywhere for the same price. But yeah, so I'm so excited. So if you're looking at this number right now, and I paid around $52, including tax of shipping, my box is done. So it literally has, the box has paid for itself. So as you can see, that's the unboxing from Kosei Threads. And that's a little bit of explanation about Vendoo and Ebaytips. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell. You'll be notified when I do other videos. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video, if you had any additional tips, and if there's anything you want to see from this channel. Having said that, I am your frugal fashionista, and I just wanted to wish everyone a fabulous week.